Samsung has officially announced that the next Galaxy Unpacked event will be held in Paris on July 10th. You probably know that Samsung will be unveiling the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Galaxy Z Flip 6, Galaxy Watch Ultra, Galaxy Watch 7, Galaxy Buds 3, Buds 3 Pro, and the Galaxy Ring at this event. The Galaxy Ring will come in multiple sizes ranging from 5 to 12. Sizes 5, 6, and 7 will have a 17 mAh battery, while sizes 8, 9, 10, and 11 will have an 18.5 mAh battery. The size 12 will house a 22.5 mAh battery. Latest leak that shows us the charging case/cradle for the Galaxy Ring. The Galaxy Ring will support Bluetooth LE and Bluetooth 5.4. The Galaxy Ring will be able to monitor heart rate and stress, as well as measure skin temperature and help track monthly periods. It will also feature snore detection, which will require a phone to be nearby and charging. The Galaxy Ring to cost between $300 to $350 or 35,000 Indian rupees, and there might be a sub-$10 monthly subscription for Samsung Health that will unlock more features, similar to Fitbit Premium. It will have a lost mode, which will let you make the ring blink in order to find it. The Galaxy Ring will employ an LED light. It's launched a new labs section in its app, where it plans to test new features and get user feedback. Perhaps it wants to differentiate itself from Samsung based on these. The ring features a minimalist yet substantial design and will be available in platinum silver, gold, and ceramic black color options. The Galaxy Ring will include a suite of sensors for tracking various health metrics. Users can also set specific well-being goals and receive feedback on their progress via booster cards, which will be available in the Samsung Health app. The Samsung Galaxy Ring is now listed in the battery widgets section of the Good Lock app with other Samsung devices. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.